about downsizing, but when you look around at all those years worth of things that need to be gone through before you can even think about selling, where do you start? What's first? So you need a game plan for getting this done without too much hassle. And it may be a little bit overwhelming, and you may be dreading the work involved. You might even be a little bit apprehensive about going through all of your things and trying to decide what to get rid of. I'm Tara Powell with the RE/MAX NC Coastal team, and I have helped so many clients go through the exact same thing you're considering right now. So let me help you. Declutter, purge, cull, whatever you want to call it, you should not wait until a week before moving to start going through your things to see what you will keep and what you will donate or toss. There are many different ways to tackle it, and I will give you just a few ideas of how it could be done. Furniture may take the longest to find a home for or to decide what to keep. However, this is a great place to start. If there are furniture pieces that you know will not make the move, then go ahead and deal with that first. If your daughter said that she's always loved that armoire, now is the time to give it to her. The extra space will be needed as you go through other things. Less furniture is better for staging purposes as well. There are so many charities that will take used furniture and will even come to your home to pick it up. I suggest that you call them first, since there are items like mattresses that some charities won't even take. One common decluttering method is the 3-box method. Go through room by room using this method. For the keep box, if it's an item that's not used frequently, go ahead and properly pack that box up and store it until your move, labeling the box as well with a description of the items and which room to be moved to. The toss and donate keep method works well with donating clothes as well. For kitchen, pantry, and medicine cabinet, toss anything that's expired or that you know you will not use. If the food isn't expired but you don't want it, then go ahead and donate it to a local food bank. Be sure to dispose of medication properly and do not flush it down the toilet. Attics and garages tend to be the most overlooked areas since they store the items that we will get to later and to store our seasonal items. So don't avoid these areas until the last minute. My previous clients who downsized found that enlisting a friend or relative to help them sort through the different categories of items was really helpful and instrumental in reassuring them that they would not miss items that they needed to get rid of. And sometimes we need a little encouragement to release that 1980s jacket that we love so much but haven't worn in 30 years. If you're ready to start the downsizing process and want to know what your home's value is in today's market, give me a call. I can easily do that for you at no cost. We can also chat about your options for your next home as well. I would love to help you through this whole process until you have the keys to your new home in your hand. I'm Tara Powell with the RE/MAX NC Coastal team, Real Estate with a Purpose, where we put our clients and community first.